This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Open the driver's door and pull the trunk release lever or depress the trunk release button on the rear of the trunk lid and open the trunk. Open the spare tire cover. Loosen the cable clamp nut and then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Disconnect the intelligent battery sensor, IBS, electrical connector. Remove the protective cover, loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the positive terminal of the battery. Disconnect the vent hose from the battery. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Release the lever and loosen the battery safety strap. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it is heavy. Place some shop rags onto the battery tray to catch any metal shavings. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Remove the rags and clean the battery tray if necessary. Install the battery into the battery tray. Reconnect the vent hose to the battery. Install the battery hold-down clamp and tighten the clamp bolt securely. Install and pull the safety strap until it is snug around the battery. Connect the positive cable onto the positive terminal of the battery, tighten the cable nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the intelligent battery sensor IBS electrical connector, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely. Close the spare tire cover and trunk.